Unfortunately, we gotta take the shot.
Let's do it again. All right, guys, we'll be right back with this.
We're not.
We're not cutting.
Well, if you're watching, thank you for watching. Appreciate y'all. We're not going anywhere.
No, I want the people to see this.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's your boy D. Hey, check out some of the other videos. I'm gonna be changing out the front axles of the car. Sun's low right now. It was super hot today. Hood's up just to kind of let the car cool more. We're gonna put the jacks in. We're gonna jack her up, get her ready. All right, guys, so car's jacked up. I took the first wheel off. Adrian, Mr. Geo decided to join us as well for this install. 32mm socket. This is what you're gonna need for the job. Impact wrench comes in handy. Hammer. We got the breaker bar on. We're gonna crack this shit loose.
It's as dark as you.
Oh, you're all right, guys. Now we gotta take the shock out. So I believe these are two 19 mils. Yeah. I'm gonna start a GoFundMe for fucking toolbox.
Yeah, for a fucking toolbox, bro.
Man,
Jesus.
I need a toolbox.
I
guys.
showed you the toolbox.
Can't find anything. This one we took out. Good stuff. All right. So
ours might not be like yours.
no.
Our Forster's different. That's probably okay. We'll be right back.
All right, right here.
We'll
we got it. We got it. We got it. All right. Bro, what?
It's a breaker bar, cuz.
What do you mean this week?
That's weak. Bro, how much was that?
You're weak.
All right, guys, we'll be right back with this.
We're not going
We're not cutting.
We're not going anywhere.
No,
bro.
I want the people to see this.
Bro, this is 20 years old. This car is 20 years old. Nobody did anything on this, bro.
You know some.
Damn.
I told you should have used.
Damn.
Why don't you use the? That was a lot of work.
Yep, but this shit is gonna go.
Okay, so what emotions are going through your head?
All right. Hope.
Yo, you okay
fatigue.
There, Adrian? I'm recording, man.
Cut. No.
Let's use a Sharpie and fucking pencil that shit on.
All right, so use this to mark the toe bolt. Otherwise, your alignment's gonna be destroyed. What was that, dog?
You fucking up the toe.
Alright, there we go, mate.
Can we look at this? The zip tie of the caliper?
I told you gotta hammer that shit out.
There we go.
That's what I'm waiting for, him to get up and fucking like flex his arm.
I need some milk, that's fine.
You need some milk? Yeah. Excuse me, monsieur.
Yeah.
Tag team, tag out. Tag out.
My knees.
Sub.
Tag out.
Damn, my knees. Woo. Alright, yeah, let me film. Alright, this is your boy.
You want me to take out the keys?
Your boy Geo, huh?
You want me to leave it in case you need to move it again?
Nah, just close the door.
Alright.
Oh, see? Hey guys, check out his YouTube. Just bought a suit, bro.
You just gotta look at my axle, bro.
Dude, look at this, bro. Showing my gut. I can't steer, guys. This is what. Alright, we're gonna put the new one in.
Is that your new axle?
Yeah.
Is this the new axle?
That schlong axle?
It's beefy, bro. Nah, Rock Auto Special, dog. Rated for
1,000 horsepower.
950 horsepower, bro.
Okay.
Front axles.
Front.
Look at
this.
this.
It's front wheel drive.
Woo!
Here we go back into the bag of tools.
Oh, wrong tool.
That sounds so nasty, bro.
As you stroke it.
So I just need a punch tool. Bro, I got Houdini in this.
I see that, dog. That's so stupid.
Bueno. We got it, guys. We got it. Dude, you know what I don't have? Guys, GoFundMe. What I don't have is a rubber mallet.
Go.
Yeah, let's check it out like nothing. I'm struggling to put it in.
That's what she said. In his corner? No? He's gonna be like, bro, you're gonna get me banned off of YouTube.
You're gonna get me banned.
Fuck YouTube! That boy already got 60 subscribers, dog. Get this man to 100.
I don't.
100, and he's got to give
At 100, he's gonna give away the Forester.
The Forester is giving away at 100 followers, right? Right? That's all you gotta do. Like and subscribe. Yeah. Have a chance to win this beautiful Forester, as is.
Why are you guys auctioning off my Forester?
As is, no axles.
He'll get a Forester eventually.
Yeah, you didn't hear him.
All right, bang bong, bing bong, guys, we got it on. Okay, hold on, we gotta correct this a little bit.
That took a lot of.
Now,
don't try this at home.
no, I mean you're doing it at home.
Not to do it in the driveway, but.
All right,
I'm just here to record.
I'm just here for the chicken.
man's bought a Supra, bro. Don't listen to him.
I didn't buy shit.
Yo,
I have a Supra.
He has a Supra now.
lube up my
I'm not lubing up nothing on your shaft, bro. Fuck out of here.
Come on, dog, lube it up.
I'm not lubing up your shaft.
Yeah, you gotta dig in there, you know. Take that grease out. Yeah. Rub
Why
it
are you smiling while saying that shit?
Yeah,
like, yeah.
Bro, when it's yours, it doesn't matter, bro. You can do whatever you want
I
to
see,
it.
bro, but in front of your boys, ew.
Kind of sus.
Why are you looking,
bro?
dog?
In front
Why
of the
you,
camera also?
why are you
Yeah,
looking?
bro, you letting the world know
He
that
told
you like
me
to
to
fucking,
start recording for this.
All right, so how do I pop this baby in?
you put it in the way you took it out. Broken.
Okay. Come on,
Fucking
dale.
Yeah, bro, dale. Dale, papa. Dale, dale. You also have to make groaning noises while you're trying to shove it in.
I'm gonna start out by saying thank you, Gio. Gio has a YouTube channel as well, so please check him out. Also, thank you to Adrian at Boosted Barney on Instagram. Check him out. He also is a Subaru owner. Guys, thank you so much for your help. All right, guys, so it's the following day. Mega job on the Forester yesterday, guys. Changing out those axles were definitely not easy, but I do have 2 recommendations that I would say helped tremendously. I think removing the strut is one. Just remove the strut. That's all you got to do, and have a second set of hands, because putting it back in, you got to hammer it in with a wood block to try to get the axle seated properly. So I definitely would recommend doing that, guys. But if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more. Definitely, guys, definitely a massive difference. I test drove the car. The car's not shaking on acceleration no more. It was a tremendous difference in the car's overall feel. Remember, guys, every journey's different, so make your own. Thank you for watching. Peace out. All right, we're gonna put the new one in. Let me go grab that. Hang tight.
You gotta follow me. Welcome to my crib.
No, turn it off. Turn it off.